Today, we'll talk about food from the farm.
Many of the foods we eat every day come from farms. For example, I love rice.
Rice comes from a rice field.
Farmers plant rice and take care of it.
After that, they harvest the rice, and it goes to the market.
And then to our homes.
I also love fresh eggs.
Eggs come from chickens on a farm.
I think farmers work very hard.
You know, Ethan, farmers work really hard for us.
Their job is so important because they grow all the food we eat.
Knowing where our food comes from helps us appreciate their hard work. And it also helps us make healthy food choices. So next time you eat, think about the farm. And all the effort that went into it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks for watch time.
See you next time.
Hello. I think it's important to know where our food comes from. Many vegetables we eat come from gardens or small farms. For example, my mom and grandma grow many fresh vegetables in our small garden, like tomatoes and lettuce.
They plant the seeds and water the plants every day.
It takes a lot of care. I think their job is very helpful because they give us healthy food.
This food is very fresh and delicious.
It makes me happy to eat food from our own garden.
Farmers work very hard to grow food for us. You know, it takes a lot of care to grow all this.
Yeah, it's a lot of work, but it's also really helpful to have fresh, healthy food.
And it's so fresh and delicious. Way better than anything from the store.
It really makes me happy to eat food from our own garden. There's nothing like it.
So remember, farmers work very hard to grow food for us. It's so important to know where our food comes from.